Guys, this is my name's Liam and this is my channel, I suppose. My name's Liam and this is my new channel called Hazardous Lock. A few of you might already know me from channels such as Leibs Games, Leibs Vlogging, Leibs TV, Leibs Muir. I like to keep the name Leibs up until now, where it's changed to Hazardous Lock. I don't lock because I live in Scotland, obviously you can tell by my accent, and there's a lot of locks in this country. Hazardous, well, because I'm hazardous, I don't know. Anyway, this is my channel, and on my channel I'm going to be giving my opinion on a lot of stuff, such as like politics, and the news. Did I say politics? I'll be maybe reporting a few news stories, I don't know, but mainly going to be giving opinions. I'll also be doing some fun vlogs. Maybe if I do anything the slightest bit of interesting, I will record it and put it up on my channel. But yeah, this is a short, really short video just to tell you that I'm bringing this channel. I may make a video later giving my views on Scottish independence, since it's a big thing up here in Scotland, or I might just leave that for today, but I don't know. But please subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to build this, and yeah, I've been Liam from Hazardous Lock, and thanks for watching. See you later.